Lifestyle. Today, I have no clue what I'm doing. Not at all. I have zero clue what I'm doing. But my goal, you see in the title that I'm playing with dry ice. My goal is to fog this whole bathroom. Probably not like everywhere up here, but most likely the whole floor fogged to where you can't see my feet anymore. I have 2 containers with dry ice. It's not full with dry ice, but I got a couple bags in there with dry ice in them. And we're gonna put them in the tub, and then we're gonna see if we can fog up the bathroom. It is really hard to see me. I feel like I'm too big for this bathroom. Anyways, we have our first container of dry ice with little tiny pellets. The other one, I haven't checked yet. Oh, it's leaking. Let me see if I can angle this so y'all can see. Safety first. You always want to be safe. Oh, this bag has pellets in it too. This is what we're working with. But a bunch of it. I would really like to fog this whole bathroom. We got that much. I'm just gonna dump it in the tub. I finally filled the tub after like 10 minutes. It took forever. In the meantime, I also filled up the sink because I'm gonna put dry ice in the sink. I'm gonna put it in the tub. I'm gonna put it in these couple of bottles I have. I'm gonna try to explode the water bottles. The other bottle, I like that bottle. That's my bottle. Now I'm gonna start putting the dry ice in. All right, good. Oh my God. Dude, what? Bro, I didn't even fill the sink yet. Dude, look at that. Bro. I think I done did the whole bathroom. Oh my God. Bro. Let me pour some in the sink. Oh, my feet feel weird. my God. Bro, it's warm. I covered the whole bathroom. Bro, that's insane. Touch the bubble. That's crazy. I think the ones in here are done. Okay, I see the water. There's only a little bit left in there. Bro, that is cool. Wait, let's put some soap. Oh, I don't have no soap. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again with soap. Oh, I made the floor slippery. I'm gonna have to clean it. Bro. That is tough. Bro. So that turned out way bigger than I expected it to. It's all done now except for the sink. The sink is still bubbling a little bit. And the tub, dude, this is crazy. I can see the tiny pieces of ice that's left. That's pretty cool. That wasn't what I expected it. I thought I was gonna get a little tiny smoke and it was gonna be weak, but that was pretty cool. That was really cool. Bro. I'm gonna do the sink again. I'm gonna put bubbles in there. I've seen something really cool happen when you put bubbles. So, I went to get some dish soap. I don't know how any of this is gonna turn out. I just hope it looks cool. I hope it looks cool. I don't have anything to stir it, so I'm using a pencil. This is going to be interesting. I used the whole first bag, now I gotta use the second bag. A little bit in here, so I'm just gonna use I'm gonna use this minute.
My bubbles.
Yeah, that was tough. Wait, I got one.
You must really love the road life. All that never coming home shit. Free smoke, ayy. Free smoke, ayy.
Yeah, that was tough. Wonder how long this is gonna last. I think all these are just extra bubbles, but these bubbles are the ones with smoke in them. This is super satisfying. So I relocated everything outside, and now I'm gonna explode 2 water bottles, or try to. I don't know if it's gonna do it, but it might. I brought the whole bag. I watched the video, and it said, do not try at home. But who am I to not try it? I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna stand really far away. All right, let's get this camera set up. That's one. That's two. That's three. Yo, that's gonna explode so fast. Wait, I'm scared. Alright, oh my god. Yo, those are gonna explode. Oh my god. Dude, that's not even. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, I got two of them. Wow, look at that. Dude, that's crazy. It broke the container. Oh, it broke the container. Oh my god. Yo. Imagine if I would have got hit. Fun. Wait. Dang, it just came out the top of the bottle. Yeah, close this back. Or should I put the ice in there? I'll just close it. Dang, I think the whole neighborhood heard that. Yo, that's crazy. How loud was it? Really loud.
I was watching. Me and Nancy show.
I seen that. That ice gotta go. Bro, that was extremely funny. And scary. Like, I would have died if that would have hit me. Oh, like I found the bottle cap. Bro, it broke the whole container. I think it, dang. That means the bottle cap shot at the container and broke it. There's some more dry ice here. I'm gonna see if I can stick it in a puddle or something. Because it did rain today. I don't know what to do with it. Should I eat it?
That shit was fucking ass.
So, I'm going to be like every other YouTuber. No, let me not say that. But, if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. And, you only got one life. Live it to the fullest. Peace. I can't do the little cover the phone thingy because I have a bucket in my hand, so you know, like.
I'm trying to keep a balance to myself.